In rural northern Nigeria, isolated infrastructure means essential resources are extracted, burned, and ultimately lost to the open air. For millions of families living off the main grid, basic survival is expensive. Households routinely spend 30% of their total income just buying dirty cooking fuels like charcoal and firewood. That heavy reliance drives a relentless cycle of local deforestation, while the constant smoke inhalation causes severe chronic respiratory illnesses for the people tending the daily fires. And right alongside this energy deficit is a massive food crisis. Because these communities lack reliable refrigeration, smallholder farmers and food vendors watch up to 40% of their perishable harvests rot before they can even reach a buyer. The burden of these failing systems falls heavily on local women. They lose hours every single day to the manual, repetitive labor of washing, cutting, and preparing raw food just to cook a single meal. The chronic health issues, the rotting harvests, the lost hours, these are the inevitable results of a linear, disconnected economy that treats energy and food as entirely separate problems. Yet, right beside all of this scarcity sits a massive, largely ignored resource: the dense Heian Digi cattle market. This single hub holds over 1 million cattle at any given time, and naturally, it generates literal mountains of ranch manure, which currently sits as an enormous, highly concentrated environmental liability. But what if we stopped treating that waste as a problem to manage and started treating it as the raw material to eradicate both energy poverty and food spoilage at the exact same time? That is the exact engineering challenge Thrive Agro-connect is taking on. They have designed an integrated eco-hub blueprint specifically to process this infinite, zero-cost biological feedstock. Organic matter feeds into a massive continuous flow digester. Inside, anaerobic bacteria break down the waste, separating out a rich layer of raw biogas. That gas is piped out and compressed into lightweight, UV-resistant polyethylene bags, creating a tangible product known as Biogas-as-a-Service. To deliver it, the hub uses a fleet of motorized cargo tricycles. Households simply swap an empty gas bag for a full one on a daily basis, completely bypassing the need for expensive underground pipelines. By hooking these bags up to specialized single-burner stoves, families replace toxic wood smoke with a clean, odorless blue flame. This immediately solves both the severe energy shortage and the chronic respiratory risks for the household. Parallel to the gas network, the hub operates a 10-kilowatt off-grid solar array and a deep cycle battery bank, providing the reliable power needed for 24/7 refrigeration. This infrastructure supports a cold-as-a-service processing kitchen. Local farmers can bring their harvests here and sell produce directly to the hub, instantly freezing that 40% spoilage rate in its tracks. Inside the kitchen, hub staff wash, portion, and vacuum freeze vegetables and meats. Families can purchase these ready-to-use ingredients, reclaiming the hours previously lost to daily, manual food preparation. This chart shows the critical mechanical interlock. 100% of the organic scraps and waste generated inside this prep kitchen bypasses the landfill entirely. Instead, it is routed straight back into the main biogas digester. By physically hardwiring the waste products of food preparation directly into the generation of cooking fuel, the EcoHub achieves absolute zero-waste operational sustainability. The circular process yields one final output. As the digester continuously processes manure and kitchen scraps, a heavy-duty vacuum truck regularly pumps out the byproduct, a nitrogen-rich liquid Bio-Slurry. This truck delivers and evenly sprays this premium organic fertilizer directly onto large commercial farms, rapidly regenerating degraded soil. As outlined in this matrix, this design creates 4 distinct cash flow channels. Revenue flows in from monthly energy subscriptions, daily processed food sales, bulk fertilizer logistics, and global ESG carbon grants. Because the project invests capital heavily into permanent operational assets, like the commercial well, the solar array, and the slurry truck, the Heian DigiHub is structured to operate as a highly profitable, self-sustaining utility, rather than a fragile charity project. The technical blueprint is completely finalized. It is a proven model for a cleaner, smarter economy. Now, we are raising funds to build the first physical facility. Click the link below to back the campaign and help build the future of rural infrastructure.